If you use a newer MacBook and you need fast, reliable charging, this is a USB-C to MagSafe 3 charger that I have absolutely been loving. It simply connects magnetically, so it gives it a secure connection, and that magnetic hold is going to help prevent accidental disconnects if the charger cable gets tugged on too much. This cable supports up to 140 watt fast charging when you're using a compatible power adapter. So it's designed to deliver strong, stable power. The cable has this braided exterior to help keep it from tangling and just to give it durability and flexibility for daily wear and tear. The length of the cable is 6.6 feet, so it gives you plenty of reach for whatever your desk setup is without straining the connection. Now, this charger is designed for select MacBook Pro and MacBook Air models that use the magnetic 3 port, so just make sure you check compatibility before you order. But as long as your MacBook is compatible and you are looking for a strong magnetic charger that provides fast charging and has a braided cable for durability, this is a really solid choice.